All other customers, please hold while we transfer you to a representative. We would like to invite you to participate in a very brief survey of the service you received today. If you are interested, once your call is complete, you will be prompted.
This is the GTL insurance I'm calling to find out some
The survey
information
will take
from
no
that last
longer than
idiot.
2 minutes to complete. Please press 1 to participate.
I don't want to go in their survey.
Hi, this is Kimberly, and who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Hi, Kimberly. I just have a question. Do you guys use third-party calling centers to make calls for you guys to get leads?
So we do have agents.
Not an agent. They didn't. They were a third party. It sounded like they were from India, trying to represent.
Oh, no, we do not. So it would be either a call from us or an agent.
Exactly. And this call's being recorded. I'm sorry, but it's just so I try to inform senior citizens because they are being scammed out of millions of dollars a year, and they get calls from these final expense insurance companies, and it's terrible what they do. First, he told me the first company, he said, I have my notes. I write down notes from everything.
Yeah.
And so he says he got me a policy, and it was originally from Combined Insurance. And then in the middle of it, when he's trying to get some more personal information from me, he said, oh, no, we're going to go with GTL now. In the middle of it. I go, what? Wait, what? And so they're misrepresenting reputable insurance companies, and I hate to have that happen to you guys. And I try to tell the people who learn from my videos, I say, listen, first of all, don't answer a call you don't recognize. And if they're calling if you want final expense insurance or life insurance, contact an agent in your local area, number one.
Yes.
Or call the company direct. You know, they'll get you in contact. But don't take, and of course he was asking for my social security number, my birthday, my checking account number, getting all the pertinent information to steal identity. Well, the name I gave him was Milton Bradley. And if you know anything about our board games, Milton Bradley made board games here forever.
Oh.
And I kept him on the phone for about 40 minutes, wasting his time. And he didn't even, I gave him a phony social security number, phony bank account. I never give out my real information to someone who cold called me. But I'm really sad that they say they're representing a reputable company like yours. And
Okay, did they give you like a name or a number, like an agent number?
the agent that he gave, his extension number was 1007. His name was James. And I'm gonna mute this phone number when I don't want that on my video. And that's the number he told me I could call him back on.
Okay, I can send this over and then see if they can look into that, if there's anyone with that name, and then also the number.
Perfect. I'm trying to, and I just want to educate. And one good thing is I kept him on the phone so long that he wasn't on the phone actually getting real information from an unsuspecting senior, And I gave him a phony age. I told him I was 69 years old and I had a lung removed, I had a kidney removed for cancer. I smoked only half what I used to. I smoke 3 packs a day now. I cut way back. And I was really silly with what I was saying. And he said, oh, yeah, you could get insurance, no problem.
Unknown caller.
And it's funny. I do have a few underlying conditions at my age and everything over the years. I cannot get life insurance. If I did, it's like $500 a month. And that's with minor issues at my age. It's like, don't fool me with this. He said it was $156 a month for a $15,000 policy with all those underlying conditions.
Yes.
It's like, who are you trying to fool, Well,
Yes.
Your first name again, I'm sorry.
Yes, it's Kimberly.
Kimberly, thank you. You have been a great sport to at least entertain what I'm trying to find. And the other thing is, he said, oh, we don't take any other payment but your checking account. We don't take a debit card. We don't take Visa. And it's like, okay, I get some companies do that. Not many. But if you got a debit card associated with it, why not take that, have a reoccurring payment? And it's so simple. The many years ago, the final expense insurance I took many years ago, that's how we paid it, was on our debit card. So until it was just a complete final expense. You pay it off. It's not whole life or anything, and it's done. It's finished. So anyway, I appreciate your time, Kimberly, and I'll let you get back to doing some real business. But hopefully maybe we can stop this person. Maybe somebody in your company knows, and they could put an end to this because they're asking real personal questions.
Okay, I'll let them know.
Oh, Kimberly, you're awesome. Thank you.
Okay.
And my real first name is Roger.
Okay, thank you.
And if you want to look it up, it's my YouTube channel is Screwing with Scammers.
Okay.
And I bust a lot of these. I don't bust them. I wish I had the ability to connect to their computer and clean them out and delete all of their contacts. But all I could do is waste their time so an unsuspecting senior can't be scammed. And I do my best. But yeah, if you look it up, it'll be on there. It'll be an insurance scam or something like that. I'm not sure which one it's going to be. But anyway, Kimberly, have a wonderful day. And I hope the weather down there in Illinois is nice. I was in Chicago area last year, and it was hot and humid. So,
it's like that right now.
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm in Las Vegas. We're 102 right now. It's only 10:30 in the morning, but our humidity is like 8%. So, well, Kimberly, you've been a great sport. Thank you for the information. Hopefully, maybe we could put a stop to this stuff.
Yes. All right. Thank you.
Have
You
a wonderful
good one.
Thank you. Bye-bye. That's what I expect from insurance companies, guys. That is exactly what I expect. Great person, told me the truth. If you need insurance, look it up. Guaranteed Trust Life, reputable company. They don't employ that. Their agents will call, not these idiots. So, okay, I'm going to call one more insurance agency, and we'll see if we get a good response from them too. Stand by. Well, I'm calling the other legitimate company, Combined Insurance Company, and see what they have to say.
Welcome to Combined.
Si desea escuchar el menú en español, marque el número 7.
No. My Spanish is not that good.
If you know your party's extension, press 1. Otherwise, please remain on the line.
I will, thank you.
To assure quality service, this call will be recorded.
Thank
At
you.
Combined Insurance, we are committed to providing you with fast and convenient access to information on your policy and claims. Our self-service by phone features provide you with the same valuable information that you would receive from one of our representatives and are now available on evenings and weekends in addition to our normal business hours. You can also access your policy information, make changes to your policy, check the status of your claim, and even file your claim using our Combined self-service portal. Visit our website at combinedinsurance.com for access and to learn more.
Perfect.
Please enter the phone number associated with your account.
I don't have one.
Unknown caller.
I didn't get that.
I don't
Enter the
have
10-digit phone number associated with your account.
I don't have an account.
I still didn't understand. Enter the 10-digit phone number associated with your account.
You're not going to find it.
It's quick and easy to manage online payments with our self-service
I don't
portal.
want a payment.
Register your account today at combinedinsurance.com. For claims, press 1. For billing information, press 2. For policy information, including status, press 3. To make a one-time payment, press 4. For support with our mobile application and self-service portal, press 5. In order to cancel your policy, press 6. To repeat these options, press 9. To assure quality service, this call will be recorded.
It is. I am.
And is less than 5.
Hello?
Hello, thank you so much for calling Combined Insurance. The recorded line may help today.
Hi, I'm sorry, I missed your first name.
My name is Philip.
CHRIS?
That's PHILIP.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I received a call from someone claiming to be representing your company to sell me a final expense policy. And they were asking very personal questions such as my social security number, my banking account information, my birth date, trying to get a lot of things. And I don't think they were actually representing your insurance company. Do you use
Yes, sir.
third party out of the? He sounded like he was from India, by the way.
Yes, sir. We don't get personal information. Yes, we offer some policies, but we don't get information over the phone for the application.
That's what I thought. So this guy was a scammer then.
Yes.
Well,
definitely a scammer.
I appreciate that because I'm trying to inform everybody about these scams that no reputable company, insurance company, life insurance company would ever ask for your information over the phone. And the other thing is that, if you want, I tell everybody, if you need life insurance, final expense insurance, whatever you need, call the company direct. They'll direct you to an agent in your local area.
Correct.
And you go to their office and meet with them. And that's the way to do any transactions like that.
Exactly.
Okay. He gave me his phone number and his extension ID. I don't know if you could run that up to your management team or something. If that'll do any good, maybe they could research some of this.
Absolutely. And again, if anybody calls you, the only information that we get from you most likely will be your name, your date of birth, address, and phone number.
Right.
Other than that, we don't ask for any other information like billing information or bank information.
And he said that I get a discount because I have an active checking or savings account. Well, most people in the United States have an active checking or savings, number one.
Exactly.
Then he said, the only method of payment we take is a checking account. We don't take debit cards or anything like that. I've never heard of any policy anywhere not being on an automatic debit from a debit card. I don't know. I had final insurance that I bought many, many years ago, and they debited to my Visa card, my debit card, until the policy was paid off. It was just a final expense policy, that's all. Not anything else, just to cover the cremation costs. But I don't understand how people could fall for this, and they don't know to not give out their personal information. He wanted my my social security number, my birth date, he needed my checking account routing number and my checking account number. So
yes, next time do not provide any
no.
information. Again, any type of insurance or any insurance company, we don't get that information over the phone. You need to fill up a form.
Of course.
For an application.
I actually I run a YouTube channel where I waste scammers' time. And these are the calls I get. And when they give me a legitimate insurance company, I try to call the insurance company and let them be aware of their people are trying to represent their companies. And they're not. They're not representing your company. And that's really sad because, some senior falls for this and their family will go off on your company and say, oh, you scam me out of this money and everything, because usually the phone numbers they give you are disconnected numbers. And they've stolen your checking account routing number and everything, and they clean your checking account out is what they do. But, well, I thank you for your time. Let me give you the name and number he gave me. He said his name was James, and the phone number he gave me and he said his extension ID was 1007. Yeah, he said he represents 40 different companies. Hello? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you there? Well, we lost him. Darn it. That was from Combined Insurance Company. Anyway, everybody, I just wanted to let you guys hear the interactions you have with real insurance companies. They never ask for personal information up front, especially over the phone. You're going to fill up the form yourself. You're going to fill it out yourself and send it to them, or you'll go to the local agent's office in your local area, or they'll come to your house. The local agent will be there at your doorstep. So stay safe. Please don't fall for these scams. Your lives are too precious, man. Don't fall for it. And like both of them said, call the insurance company direct. You call the insurance company direct, and they will help you. A legitimate company will never ask for personal information over the phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are screwing with scammers, so you don't have to.